welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been very long that we haven't been talk, and to be very honest, I wanted to be active the entire year, but as I was married in the month of December and January 2025 and all the months in 2025 were really hectic, and at the same time I was giving time to my family, my spouse, so I was not that active on this platform. Yes, I want to confirm, or I would say I'm going to take a resolution this 2026 that I'm going to be there for you all throughout the year, consistently, no matter what. So today's video is all about what I got from Nykaa Pink Day sale. So this is what I got from the Nykaa Pink Day sale, and it's huge. Like, I've invested all my savings into my skincare, but that's okay. It is making me happy and it's okay. So let's do the unboxing one by one, like what I got from the Nykaa Pink Day sale. So I'll start from this one. And this is from Nykaa now. Like, बहुत ही जल्दी आ गया था, but let me open this. Okay, so there are two products inside this one. Let me just wait. Okay, so these are the two products in the first parcel. So the first one is the Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner, and this one is from Tony Moly, and everyone knows the hype. I haven't used it, so I have just seen the reviews and I borrowed it. तो मुझे लगता है कि I cannot give any reviews on it, but yeah, I got this for 900, and it's a steal deal because it is 1200 to 1300 or 1500 in the normal days. So at 900, I think it's a steal deal. And then talking about the next up is Chemist at Play AHA Body Lotion, and this is for daily use, which have 5% natural AHA plus niacinamide plus shea butter, which helps to exfoliate and nourish your skin and provide radiant skin. So yeah, this one I got for 300 rupees. And what else you require, guys? नेक्स्ट देखते हैं कि नेक्स्ट पार्सल में क्या है. जब ये पार्सल आया ना गाइस, मतलब पहले एक, फिर दूसरा, फिर तीसरा, मैं सोच रही थी कि मैंने इतने सारे पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए और सारा प्रोडक्ट कहाँ चला गया यार, इतनी छोटी सी आई है ये पार्सल. देन आई सॉ माई ऑर्डर लिस्ट और मुझे पता चला कि ये ब्रेक इवन, मतलब अलग अलग डिलीवरी होगी इसकी. सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स सी व्हाट इज इनसाइड दिस बॉक्स. सो आई थिंक मुझे नाइफ लाना पड़ेगा, so excuse me for 2 minutes. So I'm back with the knife, guys. So देखते हैं कि next parcel में क्या है. So मैं इसको पहले खोल लेती हूँ. Okay. So let's see इससे क्या निकलता है. कुबेर का खजाना है गाइस, ये कुबेर का खजाना. सो अब देखती हूँ कि इनमें क्या है. ओके, मैं गिरा दूँ उससे पहले ही मैं इसे निकाल लेती हूँ. सो ये है स्विस ब्यूटी का मैट लिप अल्ट्रा स्मूथ मैट लिपस्टिक. सो मैं इसका शेड बता देती हूँ. दिस इज़ 27 न्यूड बॉम्ब, एंड ये मुझे पड़ा था 199 रुपीज़ का. सो इवन दिस इज़ अ गुड डील. And then some, oh god. Okay, so next up is again this from Swiss Beauty, and this is pure lusher lipstick. So this is kind of, I have seen all the influencer with a gloss kind of a lipstick, and I'll try and definitely share a review with you all. And this is for 299 rupees. Okay, let me just check. Okay, next up is also two lipstick, and this is from again the same brand, Swiss Beauty. So I've got these two lipsticks and the shade. Okay, पिछले वाले का भी शेड बताना भूल गई थी. तो जो Swiss Beauty प्योर लस्टर लिपस्टिक है ना, इसका शेड मैंने लिया था 07 Twisted Caramel, एंड मैंने ये देखा है काफ़ी अच्छा शेड है. एंड देन ये जो लिपस्टिक है ना, दिस इज satin comfort lipstick and this is ultra hydrating and intense in color and gives full coverage. So these shades are, so the two shades which I have is 06 English Rose and the other is 10 Wine Time. I'll do the swatches in my shorts and I'll definitely show you all. So let's keep them aside and I'm very excited to open up the next box that we have here. Okay. So देखते हैं इस बॉक्स में क्या है. What is there inside this? So इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम चाकू का और ये ऑलरेडी ओके ठीक है. चलो तो देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या है. So there is something, थोड़ा और काटना पड़ेगा गाइस हमें. बहुत मेहनत लगती है. Finally, I did it. So this is from Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless 16 hours oil control SPF 32 PA++ compact, and this is in the shade 230 and this is normally retails for 269 rupees and I got it for 180 rupees. So just keeping it aside. यार तुम्हें भी ऐसे ये फोड़ने में मज़ा आता था क्या बचपन में? मन तो बहुत फोड़ा है बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इनमें से एक भी मेरे से नहीं फूट रहा है. तो लेट इट बी. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वेस्ट टाइम. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्सल. इसमें कुछ और बच के आया गाइस. आई वाज अबाउट टू थ्रू दिस. लकी आई एम. ओके सो लेट्स सी इसमें क्या है. थोड़ा वो एस्थेटिक्स अनबॉक्सिंग करूँ. So let's see. Oh god. Okay, so I think I have got a gift as well from Nykaa. So this is again from the brand Chemist at Play and this is Underarm Roll-On which contains 5% of AHA and vitamin C. So this is used by my close friends and they recommended me this, and again the price is so reasonable. You get this one for 299 rupees during the Pink Friday sale. और क्या चाहिए. And this gives a really good result. I'll try it on myself and also share review in future if you need it. So next one is again a lipstick. You can call me a girl in 2026 with a lot of lipstick shades and I'm going to share everything with you all. So this one is from Lakme. Okay, Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Matte Liquid Lip Color and this is Intense Latte, the shade name, and this cost me, it's retail for 500 rupees and I got it for just 299. And I think there is a Q2 that we have got. This is Chemist at Play Hyaluronic Acid Ceramide Rice Water Oatmeal Hydrating Face Moisturizer. Thank you Chemist at Play. So keeping them aside and moving to the big parcel. स्किन केयर एक तरफ, मेकअप एक तरफ और सारी दुनिया एक तरफ. Let's and this is my यंत्र. ये थोड़ा सा फटा हुआ आया था एट द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी बट मैंने सस्पेक्ट कर लिया था ऐसे कुछ आइटम्स निकले हुए नहीं हैं. उन्होंने मुझे दिखा दिया था उसी टाइम पर. But I was lazy enough to open up the entire parcel and look for the details. That's it. So, क्या गजब पैकिंग करी है ना गाइस, देखो. So पहले ये हटाते हैं एंड देन देयर इज अ बिल, इसे भी हटाते हैं. ओके, सो जो मुझे सबसे पहले दिखा इज दिस Sanfi Deep Purifying Nose Strips, and this contains 6 strips. I have never utilized it in my life. I have seen many reviews और मुझे लगा जब ये 150 में मिल रहा है तो मैं क्यों ना लूँ, मैंने ले लिया. जस्ट अ गर्ल मैट. ठीक है. सो इसके बाद ओके, मैं इसके बाद में जितना भी बात करूँ ना दैट इज़ लेस बिकॉज आई हैव यूटिलाइज दिस प्रोडक्ट. मतलब 2-3 साल तो ये मेरे पास पहले था एंड फाइनली आई गेव इट टू माई सिस्टर और शायद टूट गया था उससे. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली मैनिक्योर टूल फ्रॉम वेगा एंड दिस I got for 150 rupees, and this is a crystal glass nail filer for smooth and gentle filing. It really gives a good finish and a good shape that you want. So if you want in future to get your nails done at home, you can get this from Vega. So this too एक टूटा था, उसके बाद मतलब उसके जगह पे ये मंगाया था ना, ये भी टूट जाता और मेरा दिल भी. Then next up is a very viral product nowadays. You can see for dry skin, Bioderma pronounce नहीं कर पाई. So it is Bioderma Atoderm Creme Ultra, and I have seen one of my favorite influencer Komyong to use this, and she has reviewed it. It is very good and very moisturizing, so I'm gonna try this. And I got this at a very lesser price because this retails for 700 in normal, and I got it for 480 rupees. So that's an amazing deal. So let's look up in the next product, and I'll be quick enough to show you everything that I got. So next upon is a made in Korea product, and that is from Quench, and this is Dark Circle Under Eye Creme with Kika Herb Repair. अपने आप वो एक्सेंट चेंज हो जाता है ना, जैसे ही आप देखते हो इतने कोरिया से स्किन केयर मंगा लिया है, बस वो कोरियन ग्लो का इंतजार है गाइस. सो लिटरली क्या बोलूँ मैं, डार्क सर्कल का दुकान हो गई हूँ मैं. सो आई हैव टू रिपेयर देम. सो मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये कोरियन वाला मंगा के देखती हूँ कि कैसा काम करेगा. एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर like 380 rupees, which is a good deal because ये 500 पे रिटेल करता है. So 380 में अच्छा डील था. Next upon again is a lipstick from Mars. I have never tried Mars lipstick. So this says it's Super Stay, and this is shade number 30, and which is known as Destiny. I'll try and swatch every lipstick for you all, so don't worry. And I got it for rupees 120. OMG, such a good deal. And then the very viral and my personal favorite, my sister used it and I got a swatch from her, and I was in love कि कभी ये कम पे होगा तो मैं buy करूँगी. This retails for 750 rupees, which is Maybelline New York Super Stay Teddy Tint, and this is shade 20 Mascara Tear, a very viral shade, and I got it just for 450 rupees. Okay, so next up is a minimalist SPF, and I have taken it. This is minimalist SPF 60 sunscreen, and if I talk about, this is 50 grams and it retails for 600 rupees, wherein I have got it for 450 rupees. Indeed a great deal, guys. So next upon is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. जितना भी दुख हो जाए दुनिया में, अगर आप ये काजल लगाओगे और आप रो भी रहे होगे तो काजल नहीं छूटने वाला है, तो इसलिए मैंने 150 रुपये का ये काजल ले लिया. And then up is there is a free gift. Thank you Minimalist for sending me this cute gift, that is Minimalist Skin Science B12 Repair Complex Face Moisturizer. छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ. And then is the last one. Let me see what is there. Okay, so next up is a detan cream from Raga, and this is viral all over the internet. So I grabbed my hands on this one, and this one for 350 rupees for 5 sachets, and that's fine, that's good. So next up is Chemist at Play. Again, Chemist at Play. I love this brand, Chemist at Play. So this is their daily exfoliating body wash, and this contains 4% of lactic acid, salicylic acid, vitamin E, and xenium that gently exfoliates your dead skin cells, smoothens rough and bumpy skin. So this is all what I got, and I guess this one is for 399 rupees. So finally the unboxing is done. Now I can use all of them. I don't know when I'm going to use, but I'm going to use them. Lip paint, nail paint. So this is Nykaa Insta Like nail enamel. One is into the nude tone and the another one is red one. So I got it in buy one get one. Indeed a great deal. 150 rupees में 2 nail pen. What else you require? तो फाइनली अनबॉक्सिंग हो गया है, और मैंने बहुत बकवास कर ली ड्यूरिंग दी अनबॉक्सिंग, तो थोड़ा पानी पी लेती हूँ. और आज सबसे बात भी कर लेती हूँ. So thank you so much for watching there. Stay tuned for my next video coming soon. I have some more parcels like I'm a girl, so मैंने टीरा ब्लैक फ्राइडे सेल भी नहीं छोड़ा, और उससे भी मैंने कुछ कोरियन प्रोडक्ट्स मंगा लिए हैं अपने लिए, एंड सम विटामिन सी, एंड ऑल्सो स्विस ब्यूटी का भी एक ऑफर चल रहा था 799 में, आई थिंक ग्रैब 6 items. So मैंने सोचा I'm a girl, how can I leave that? So there are some more that is arriving soon to me, and I will inculcate all those unboxing videos in my daily vlogs. So stay tuned, and we are going to meet soon. Bye bye.